Kabalo yung ginikanan na Ella? Nangit mo mo?
Hi girl, what happened?
I'm
Sour. Deserve. Deserve girl.
Thank you, SM.
So how was the party?
I had fun,
Really?
but my face hurts.
Deserve because you are wearing a high heels biatch.
Oh.
Wait lang, hindi ka mag-agyo sentrale?
Mag-agi yung siguro kasi.
Dili, Rojas pa una bago sentrale.
Mag-agi siguro
What?
sentrale kasi mo.
Magbukas ka na lang.
Isa lang. Kasi hindi ko kaya gawin yung
Hindi mag-inis sa tabi ka kung kaya ko.
yung dalawang cellphone lang. Isa mo.
Malugay mo sa food.
Kasi ano makain yung pagyan.
Dalawan lang ang mga KTV ata.
Max! Makaon, Max! Max!
Kaya
Girl, what if
ano ko?
TV mag uli na lang ka para
Tite.
happy
Ate
life.
Shai, pakiangat ng ano mo, ng kapakapa mo.
Tite.
Baka makain na.
Tita!
Girl, ano pa ka?
Si Maxine! Sabi
Ate
niya,
Shaira!
Oh my
Bukas,
gosh,
Monday na
hi
kilala yung nakita
Maxine.
namin kanina.
How was the party, biatch?
Nasa link ang comment section.
Hindi namin kilala yung nakita namin kanina.
Nasa comment section ang link.
So what happened earlier? I didn't saw you on our team's table. Where did you gala?
No camera, please.
Hindi ko kilala yung nakita ko.
I'm sorry.
Venus, where you going?
Sino nakita mo? Hindi ko kilala.
Bye. Ay,
Another party.
What? Asa na siya?
Sarah, may tupong kauli na kita.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is the twin, and for today's video, we're done with our first body of the Excite Kickoff, which is the ethereal film, and we're going back with a second event in Rojas, which we will going to celebrate. Oh no, we're drink.
No, we're not gonna drink. We are a good girl. But I love the yellow red drink. I don't know what's the name of that.
nag-post sa kwan as a trainer.
I mean, I know how to play piano.
Ayun.
Wala kami na daog.
Kulang daw headdress eh. Sige na, next time, headdress ka magsa.
What's up, Ate James?
Hindi ko lalaki mo.
Peril ganina.
Headdress ka magsa.
Ikaw sa bukas.
Ma, wala na kape.
Oh my
Ito
god.
hindi ko nito ah.
Oh my god, it's so dark. I can't see. I can't see anything. Charot. Girl, magmasalas ba? Pagkabaya kita makita. Later na ako paglabas. Ayun. Hi, Jean. So, how was the party?
I'm so tipsy.
Earlier on the costume, I thought you will win. What happened?
Siday.
Oh, I don't know. I don't know where they will go. Where they will go? I thought you will win earlier on the costume, but that twist is twisting. What happened?
I don't mind that because what is important is enjoying the
Trisha! Isa ito, Trisha.
Ikaw!
Ako?
Come on! Come on!
Oh.
Ikaw man si Trisha din. Unsa di ka?
ito nila lagi. Raisa, ano to ko sa mga ganina.
Karandom ni mo, Trisha. Uy, anong gibanggita ni mong sarili? What happened earlier?